Today we have the TRUEFREE wireless earbuds. And thanks for TRUEFREE for sponsoring today's video. Now that we have everything unboxed, let's take a closer look at the TRUEFREE wireless earbuds themselves. Alright, wow, they look very similar to the Lenovo Think Pluses X15s. And for sound quality, I did test these all day, a day before this video. So the powerful stereo sound features a large 16.2mm speaker that provides immersive sound with crisp, clear, high note and deep, rich bass. And these aren't your normal earbuds. They don't have an ear tip that goes in your ear. These are out of the ear wireless earphones. And yes, it is sweat resistant and water resistant. I accidentally dropped one of the earphones in the sink and dried them off, and they're perfectly normal. Nothing wrong with the sound, nothing. So I think these are probably really built tough for the gym and outside activities as work, construction, whatever, running. Alright, let's talk about the battery life. It says it has a 45-hour playtime with a fully charged battery. 5.3 technology, you could get 2 times as faster transfer speed, 75% higher than previous generation, and more stable connection. So let's talk about the features on these earbuds. Double tapping on the left earbud is pause, same with the right one as well. Pause and play, or hang up or answer calls. Next feature we have is a single tap to lower the volume by tapping on the left earphone. By pressing on the right earphone is increasing the volume of the music. Last but not least, a main feature right here is holding on to the touch control skips the song on the right earphone, but on the left earphone it puts the previous song back on. Alright, let's do a quick comparison with my other open earbuds I have is these Lenovo Think Plus X15 Pros. These don't look the same, but they're the same concept earphones.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.